Hello, AP Computer Science A teachers. I'm very excited to introduce you the AP Computer Science A Canvas course for 2020-2021. This course will be available to you very soon. Once you receive the course, your course homepage going to be looks like this. So the first thing you're going to do is to go to this homepage. You are in the homepage and go publish this course. And then you're going to go to the modules. You're going to go to the modules and review the content for the module 1. And then if you are happy with it, you're going to click this button at the module level. Once you click publish, all the contents will automatically be published for you. So this is the first two things you're going to do. And then the third thing you're going to do is to personalize the home page. As you can see, the home page is asks you to do a couple things. So first, you're going to introduce yourself to the students. You can have a video or Padlet activity, and then you're going to have a design activity for your student to introduce them to their classmates and to you. And then you want to put your course navigation video here. So let me show you what I have done with my homepage. So this is my homepage. You have already imported this Canvas course from Commons. I think you have already explored the homepage. Basically, you want to introduce yourself. I use Padlet activity and a Flipgrid to help them to introduce themselves to us, to me, and to their classmate. And then this 6 buttons, you need to fill it up and link to the content you want to. So for the live lessons, I have set it up, the containers for the kids to get in. If they are 1A, they're going to click this link and get to the Microsoft team. And then once they get to the team, they will see my daily announcement and in the link for them to join the synchronized instruction. So, and then the second part is Canvas navigation. All the tutorials you should about your course navigation should be here. And then CMS has provided a lot of good information about how to the Canvas supports. And then if the kids are new to your system, they can get information to set up their NC Ed account. And it's really helpful to you want to introduce to the kids in the first day of the school. And then the grading supports are all the you can fill it in. And then the teacher information is the place you want to collect important communication information from the kids throughout the year. So I set up the Google form to collect their personal phone number and then their parents' phone number, and also make sure they have set up their reminds. So all this information will help me and help me to go through this year successfully, to communicate with them, with the kids and the parents, effectively. So this is how I use it. You can use whatever way you want, but want to collect important information from the kids. And then digital censorship, you can put in some rules, some expectations from you, in terms of what you want, how you want to model them to be a good digital citizen. So this is the home page. You have to personalize it the way you like it. And then I also put join AP Classroom instruction here. So after maybe the first quarter, I will delete some of the buttons. For instance, join AP Classroom. I'm gonna get rid of it, and then just leave important buttons here. For you can delete or add new buttons. Make sure you link correctly. All right, so this is the home page. And then the important link here, important button is enter here. This is to help kids to get to the content. So in our course, we have 10 content from our AP Computer Science ACED, and I aligned with the CED unit number. In the CED unit 1 is also the CED unit 1 here, our Canvas unit 1 here. So the get ready piece and then the review piece is outside the scope of the CED, but it's crucial for our kit for the course. So let me first walk you through the design of unit. So the design of the unit, as you can tell, so first I put a calendar here. It's up to you. If you don't want it, you can get rid of this page and relink it. But I want to have this page to help kids get a sense of the time. So in every unit have similar layout. So the unit get divided by the days. So the kids come in saying, oh, this is what I have to focus for today. After this, I'm done with this course. It's help them to manage the work. So for this unit, we have 6 days and 6 lessons. And then I'm going to walk you through quickly on the lesson layout and design. So in the lesson level, at the lesson, you have the topic of the lesson, and then you will have the verbs, what student will be able to do after this lesson, and then the key terms, and also give them some link to the real world. That's the overview, and then the lesson activity piece is where they will interact with interact with their peers, and interact with the content. This is the setup that is very user friendly for the kids, so and also for the teachers. So the warm up is the couple quizzes, like a 5-6 quizzes based on their reading in the prior day. So it's flipped. So they will come in and then open up their notebook and then take the quiz. And then the next one is peer programming. This is a practice coding with Code High School. And it is very essential. We start here. Usually I let kids finish half of it and then finish up the rest at home. And then the next piece is the explore. The explore piece usually is the coding project I want to model in the class. And sometimes is, they know some, but they are not they still need some help, and then we can introduce new coding skills in this activity. And discussions is usually through online discussion, through Canvas, or I give some activity through Padlet, so make it interesting and fun. And then the create activity is usually the coding piece. The kids need to do this, and we usually have already started with the we do part. I start the project and the work, and then let them finish up, and then this way I can check if they truly understand what they need to learn. And then the last piece, of course, is the reading, a pre-reading for next class. So they read, they take a note, and the next class they come in, they will take the quiz. This is the layout for the lesson. So each lesson, all the lessons have similar structure. And then if you go to the home page, if you go to the lesson unit page, you will see there are 10 units. Each unit has similar structure as unit 1. Each lesson is similar to the lesson 1 I have walked you through. So this is the basic design for the content. For get ready piece, I set up for 2 day. For get ready piece is 2 days content for 1 week. So it doesn't matter if the kids is with me face to face or they are at home. We will go through the content simultaneously, and in that way, we ensure the pacing is in sync with this course, which is a very deep course. So, and then on the week 2, they will start the content unit 1. So this is the basic for the basic design for this course. And then for you, so when you receive the course, like I said before, first publish the course here, and then publish the module, the activities under the modules, and make changes to the activities. And then, the last thing is you want to make sure you don't have too many things open up for the kids. For me, I just set up announcement, give the students the assess for announcement, grades, syllabus, and a OneNote class notebook. That's all I want to give to them. So the last piece is the syncing in with the grade book. And there are a lot to do with that piece. We will have a detailed, walkthrough on August 7th. Let's see, at that time, the Power School is set it up, and then the Canvas course is available for you. And then, there's another piece I want to talk about is calendar. So the calendar is very important that you introduce this to the kids as a backup. What I mean is you want them, after they finish the lesson, you want them come back and then check the days, see if they have missing anything. So this is the last piece. This is a double check. So again, we will have a thorough walkthrough on August 7th. Also, we will have a QA session then. So this is just a brief introduction for walk through this course and what to do when you get it, and then what is the design of this course. And also, there are some content will be locked at district level. For this course, I didn't intend to lock anything, so you have access to all, and you can make changes to all the content for this course. Thank you, and we will have a great year.